until it's noon. See a rainbow ring light, makes your face glow, coming soon. Didn't check the reviews, discounts all I see. Click, click, add to cart, every vlogger needs one, obviously. Buying random stuff, just to look so pro. Tripod with 3 legs, flower-shaped selfie glow. Cute big microphone, phone holder shaped like a cone. As long as it's online, gotta unbox it all on cam before long. Delivery guy knows me. Another vlog gadget, right? Every week a package lands, makes me laugh day and night. Cheap, shaky gimbal, well, that's okay, I guess. Galaxy photo backdrop, even though my room's a mess. Buying random stuff, just to look so pro. Tripod with 3 legs, flower-shaped selfie glow. Cute big microphones, phone holder shaped like a cone. As long as it's online, gotta unbox it all on cam before long. They say it might boost my views, but still just friends who watch. But shopping feels so soothing, can't lie, I love it so much. Wallet keeps on crying, but flash sales call my name. Midnight checkout madness, oops, full cart again. Maybe someday I'll stop, but honestly, that day won't come. There's free shipping and big discounts, my shopping life is fun. Buying weird vlog tools makes me happy all day long. Add to cart, quick checkout, tomorrow unboxing with my lights so strong.